MEXC Referral Code. So, if you're looking for the best MEXC referral code, all you need to do is simply click the top link down below, and your comp page will look something like this. And as you can see right here, you can get up to $1,000 USDT in bonus, and all you need to do is simply click the top link down below. And you want to make sure that you see this referral code as you can see right here on screen. This is going to be the most important step. So, when you come to this page, you want to make sure that the referral code, as you can see right here on screen, is right here on the sign up page. So you can be eligible for not only all the bonuses and everything else, but all the other benefits and advantages that come with this special referral code, because there's a lot of advantages and benefits that come with a referral code, but you need to make sure to click the top link down below. And then you need to make sure to use this referral code and make sure that it appears like this, as you can see right here on screen. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Again, all you need to do is simply click the top link down below. Come to this page. Make sure the referral code right here is on screen that you can see right here. And then, you simply just create your account and click on sign up, and you'll be all good to go to claim your welcome reward bonuses for MEXC. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching today's MEXC bonus and MEXC referral code tutorial video. So yeah, enjoy your MEXC referral code benefits.